Hello, Kostas Albanidis here, and we are about to see one more time how we can easily create a very fast-paced and short with short AI. Okay, a short video. Let's see that straight away. First of all, we're moving to home, and then we're gonna just click AI story video. Here we're gonna just add first the video starting hook. Let me find that. I have already run my script to ChatGPT, and I have my script to prepare it and add it here. So we got the video starting hook over here, and I have the video ending over here. I'm gonna add it right away, and I have even my story ready straight from ChatGPT, and I click and add it here. I can even give you the ready-made prompts. In case you start using Short AI, you can leave a comment down to this video, and I'm gonna give you all the prompts that I use. Okay, let's go on. Just click next, and then we just select what kind of background style I want. I'm gonna click dark style, it looks nice, and or maybe I can click Pixar style. Okay, and click next. Then I'm gonna select the captions that they look great. Let's select this one and then click next. Over here I'm gonna select the voice. I'm gonna select male and a middle-aged or maybe an old guy, and I'm gonna select Richard
Melody, heart,
or Peter.
voice your vision. And
or even David. He sounds very nice.
Housemates.
Vieux sage ou savant.
Okay, let's go with
Let's
David, and we're gonna select generate video, and bam, we are ready. Okay, we're gonna see the results in a moment, and our video already. Let's see what we've done here. Let's see the video.
A mountain, and a tiny pebble. What lesson could such a simple journey teach? You might be surprised. Tashi, a Tibetan monk, walked the same mountain path every day. One morning, a sharp pebble lodged in his sandal. He could remove it, but instead, he kept walking, wincing with each step.
It's amazing. You saw that it creates everything for you, and it's really captivating and great. Subscribe to my channel and enjoy more of these kind of videos. I'm gonna show you a lot of tools that they can do very fast and easily, amazing and captivating videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you to the next one. Bye bye.